Looking to transform your space with a modern glow? In this video, we'll explore the best LED lights for room decor. Perfect for adding vibrant colors, cozy ambiance, and customizable lighting effects to any bedroom, living area, or gaming setup. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Hexagon LED Light. The Hexagon LED Light by LZ Home stands out as a bold and practical lighting solution for both garage and room applications. Designed with enhanced brightness and a distinctive appearance, this LED system delivers an impressive 110 lumens per watt, culminating in a total of 26,400 lumens from its 240 watt output. The CRI rating above 85 ensures color rendering that's natural and accurate, making your garage, workspace, or modern room setup appear vibrant and well lit. Its 5000 K natural white color temperature mimics daylight, providing optimal visibility for detailing work or simply enhancing your room's aesthetic. What makes this light even more appealing is its larger than average size and soft, evenly diffused light. The broader light-emitting surface produces a visually pleasing, glare-free illumination, avoiding the harshness often associated with industrial lighting. The unique, safety-oriented design uses 3-pin connectors recessed deep within the housing, significantly reducing the risk of accidental electric shock during installation. The use of high-quality PC material enhances both durability and lightness, making setup manageable for most users. Another thoughtful touch is the inclusion of ample accessories: a 5-foot-long power cable with a US plug, a hard-wiring power cable, 25 LED tubes, one extra for convenience, and an assortment of V and Y connectors, providing flexibility for various layout configurations. This makes it not just a lighting fixture, but a customizable lighting system, perfect for DIY enthusiasts wanting to tailor the room's ambiance or a garage's functional lighting. Number 2. Bbounder LED Utility Shop Light. The Bbounder LED Utility Shop Light is a versatile and highly efficient lighting solution designed for various spaces, from garages to basements and work areas. With a powerful brightness output of 4400 lumens at a crisp 6500K cool daylight white, this 4-foot LED light consumes only 40 watts of power, offering the equivalent brightness of a 250-watt conventional fluorescent fixture. Its remarkable 110 lumens per watt efficiency not only provides exceptional illumination, but also contributes to significant energy savings over time. A standout feature of this Bbounder model is its innovative D-shaped tube design that effectively addresses common issues such as tube bending, dark spots, and premature burnout. This thoughtful construction ensures uniform, shadow-free lighting and prolonged durability, making it an ideal choice for high-use environments. Installation is straightforward, with included mounting hardware and a 56-inch power cord with a plug, allowing for direct ceiling mounting or suspension based on your preference. Another practical feature is its daisy chain linkability. This LED shop light can seamlessly connect up to 4 units using plug connections, enabling you to expand lighting coverage efficiently across larger areas like workshops, equipment rooms, or storage spaces. This scalability adds immense value, especially for those managing bigger projects or multi-use facilities. Its wide application makes it highly adaptable, suitable for garages, barns, attics, and utility rooms. The bright, even light it delivers improves visibility for detailed tasks, enhances safety, and boosts productivity. The energy-efficient performance ensures you won't have to worry about high electricity bills while benefiting from clear, consistent lighting. Number 3. Modern Hexagon Garage Light. The modern Hexagon Garage Light presents itself as a cutting-edge lighting system tailored for garages, showrooms, barbershops, and creative studios. Boasting a high brightness output of 120 lumens per watt and an impressive total of 25,920 lumens from 216 watts, this light ensures a powerful yet energy-efficient performance. Its 6500K color temperature offers a bright, natural daylight hue, which is not only ideal for workspaces, but also comfortable for the eyes, reducing strain during long hours of use. Constructed from superior PC material, this light guarantees superior safety by eliminating electrical conduction risks, while its lightweight nature simplifies installation. Enhanced safety is further ensured by the well-designed connectors featuring prominent buckles which secure the tubes closely together, preventing accidental disconnections and ensuring a stable setup. Flexibility is a core advantage of this system. The hexagonal grid can be easily connected through included tubes and V and Y connectors, offering a simple plug-and-play assembly. Its modular design allows for the creation of unique, custom lighting patterns, making it highly suitable for dynamic, personalized lighting schemes. You can also purchase additional sets to expand your setup, with the system supporting up to 15 hexagons, 60 tubes, connected in one arrangement. The ease of installation is another strong point. With 25 tubes provided, including one spare, users can craft various lighting shapes tailored to the room's design. A generous assortment of accessories ensures hassle-free assembly and future maintenance, with the option to replace individual tubes without overhauling the entire system.
Number 4. Onforu LED Light. The Onforu LED Light is a high-performance lighting fixture ideal for workshops, garages, and utility spaces. Equipped with 70 bright LEDs, this 90-watt shop light produces up to 10,000 lumens of pure daylight white light, ensuring excellent visibility and a secure environment, particularly in darker or expansive spaces. It also offers substantial energy savings of 80 to 90% compared to traditional lighting systems, making it an eco-friendly and cost-effective choice. A practical feature of this light is the built-in inline switch, allowing users to control the fixture directly from the power cable. This eliminates the need for a wall switch or remote, simplifying operation and enhancing convenience for quick lighting adjustments without leaving your workstation. Its wide 120-degree beam angle ensures comprehensive illumination, covering up to 900 square feet and minimizing shadows. The professional matte finish lens reduces glare, contributing to a comfortable, productive environment by improving visibility and reducing eye strain. The Onforu LED Light's versatility extends to various mounting options, including ceilings, walls, and floors. Its durable, high-efficiency LEDs and effective heat dissipation ensure long-term reliability. Suitable for both commercial and residential use, it's an excellent addition to retail stores, supermarkets, workshops, factories, and homes, offering dependable, energy-saving lighting wherever needed. Number 5. Adiding LED Ceiling Light. The Adiding LED Ceiling Light is a robust, ultra-bright lighting solution designed to meet the needs of various indoor spaces, particularly garages, workshops, and utility rooms. Offering an impressive 10,000 lumens of brightness with a CRI rating above 80, this fixture emits 6500K daylight white, closely mimicking natural sunlight. This feature helps reduce eye strain while enhancing visibility for detailed tasks, making it ideal for both professional and DIY settings. One of its most convenient features is the E26 connector, enabling a seamless plug-and-play installation. Users can easily screw the light into existing bulb sockets without the need for additional tools or electrical expertise. This effortless upgrade makes it a practical option for quick lighting improvements. The Additing light also excels in adjustability. Featuring 6 deformable LED panels, each can be angled up to 90 degrees, providing 360-degree coverage and the ability to direct light precisely where it's needed. Despite its lower power usage, it delivers superior brightness, translating into significant cost savings over time.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.